Hello everyone, welcome to my video series on learning German for beginners. Throughout the video we'll be working on this pattern. The German word will appear in yellow, whereas the English translation will follow in white. Begrüßungen or greetings. In this video we are going to discuss different forms of greetings used in various German-speaking countries. The greetings will give you a feeling of German pronunciation and to have a good command of the language. Repeat what you listen a few times. So let's start. Hallo. This is the most commonly used form of greeting in Germany. Notice the difference in the pronunciation. It's Hallo. Guten Tag, yet another commonly used form of greeting but used mostly formally. This can be used any time of the day. Let's now learn some greetings that can be used only during a particular time of the day. Guten Morgen. This is to wish a nice morning. Guten Abend is used to wish someone a nice evening. Please note that even during late evenings, this greeting can be used. Gute Nacht, generally used before going to the bed. You must have noticed that in the last four greetings there is some similarity. Don't be afraid, don't be confused, and don't get into the details. We shall be discussing the same in the next videos. Please concentrate on only the pronunciation and the usage of these words, and just learn them. Let's come to some regional greetings. Grüß Gott originates mostly from Austria, which is also a German-speaking country, and is mostly spoken in Bayern or Bavaria. Bavaria is the biggest state of Germany. Well, you do see some new characters here. Don't be scared. The beta sign here is the sound of a double S, and the U with those two dots, we'll be discussing later what they are. But right now, just remember the pronunciation of this Grüß Gott. Grüß Sie and Grüß dich are casual greetings. Sie and dich are two different forms. Sie is used in formal situations, whereas dich can be used amongst friends and known people. Please note that these two greetings are used in a singular form and cannot be used for a group of people. Servus. This greeting originates from Switzerland. Mostly used in southern Germany, it could mean both hello and bye. This greeting can be used anytime during the day. Tschüss is spoken all over Germany and mostly informally. You'll also find tschüss with a different spelling, that means with a double S at the end. Auf Wiedersehen, also used all over Germany, but in formal situations. Auf Wiederhören, not very different from Auf Wiedersehen. The only difference is this is used on the phone since you cannot see the person. Bis bald, also used commonly amongst friends. Well, please remember here that bald has the sound of A like the Hallo. Bis später. This is an alternative form of bis bald. Now we'll be summarizing all the greetings and all the forms we have learned in this video. I'll be reading out all the greetings we have learned. Please repeat them after me. So here we go. Hallo, Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht, Grüß Gott, Grüß Sie, Grüß dich, Servus, Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiederhören, bis bald, bis später. Hope these 13 greetings have given you a feel of the German language. Feel free to watch it again to revise. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you could learn something and had fun. Feel free to like my channel and give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos and to learn further. Tschüss, bis bald!